Oh, Lorelai, you gonna go make the jello with the grandma? Hey, grandma, Lorelai's coming. Lorelai, go make me that jello, girl. Your days of hammock relaxing have come to a decisive conclusion. Hey, are you gonna help make the jello? I heard we're making jello. Hey, grandma, we're making jello?
Yeah. We're making the second part of the jello. That jello is going to be red, green. Here's a little, this is another dish I'm making at the same time.
Can we make jello with you?
These girls have been helping grandma make the Christmas goodies.
Oh, yes, they've been helping.
Give grandma a hug and kiss.
Oh. Okay, let's go. You finish it?
Yeah.
But you were relaxing. But I used the yellow one.
Oh, that's okay, grandma. These girls, they want to help.
And this one, the first thing we're going to be doing is, what's that? That's the coffee grounds that you put in the plant.
See now there?
Okay, we have to rinse this out because I'm going to use it for the jello. I haven't finished with the coconut. See, I'm grating the coconut too. Two things at the same time. Okay? But that's okay. I can make it. Okay, we're going to put that jello.
And now that they're too busy doing that, it is now the hammock belongs to me. That was the plan the whole time. I was just gonna videotape Lorelai until she was like, "Stop videotaping me, Dad." And I was like, "Oh, you get out of here." And then she was gonna be like, "I'm out of here." Then I was gonna grab the hammock. Nice to be back home. Uh-oh, I got caught. What's this? You want your hammock back? All right. You're good. You are a slick. I thought you were making jello and coconut.
I'm making jello and coconut.
Okay, you can take your hammock back. You are a bossy little 4-year-old. You're lucky you're my daughter. You taking a nap? Oh my goodness. Oh, Lorelai. Ah, man. I gotta put up the other hammock. Hey, I love you.
I love you.
All right, enjoy yourself, sweetie. Christmas Eve 2020.